Hello everyone! Thank you for joining us today. My name is Krish, and I'm excited to introduce you to Small Basic, a fun and easy-to-learn programming language developed by Microsoft. It's a great language for beginners who want to start their coding journey. First things first, let's understand what Small Basic is. Small Basic is a simple programming language that's designed to teach beginners the fundamentals of coding in a friendly and accessible way. It's perfect for kids, students, or anyone new to programming. Now, you might be wondering, why should I learn Small Basic? Well, let me tell you why. Small Basic offers several benefits that make it an ideal starting point for programming. Easy to learn, Small Basic uses a simplified syntax and has a small set of commands, making it easy for beginners to grasp the basics of programming without feeling overwhelmed. Interactive environment. Small Basic has an interactive development environment where you can see immediate results of your code, which makes learning and experimenting more engaging. Rich graphics. Small Basic supports graphics and animation, so you can create interactive visual programs and games, helping you unleash your creativity. Community support. There's a supportive community of Small Basic enthusiasts ready to help and share their knowledge, so you'll never feel alone on your coding journey. Let's take a quick look at some Small Basic code to get a feel for how it looks. Don't worry if you don't understand it yet, we'll go through it step by step. This simple code draws a blue rectangle on the screen. As you can see, Small Basic uses English-like commands and is quite readable. To download Small Basic, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the official Small Basic website. Step 2. On the Small Basic website, navigate to the Downloads or Get Small Basic section. Step 3. Choose the version of Small Basic that matches your operating system. It's primarily available for Windows users. Step 4. Click on the download link and save the setup file to your computer. That's it. You've successfully downloaded the Small Basic environment. Now, let's install Small Basic on your computer. Step 1. Locate the setup file you downloaded and double-click on it. Step 2. Follow the installation wizard's instructions. It usually involves agreeing to the license terms, selecting the installation folder, and clicking on the Install button. Step 3. The installation process will begin, and once it's complete, you should see a confirmation message. Congratulations! Small Basic is now installed on your computer, and you're all set to start coding. To open Small Basic and start writing your first program, follow these steps. Step 1. Look for the Small Basic icon on your desktop or in your program list. Step 2. Double-click on the Small Basic icon to launch the Small Basic environment. Step 3. You'll see the Small Basic editor, which is where you'll write. Now that you have Small Basic up and running, let's do a quick test to ensure everything is working correctly. In the Small Basic editor, type the following code. We are saying hello to world and to our channel Coding Classroom. Next, click on the Run button, usually represented by a triangle or play symbol, in the top menu. You should see the output of your code in the text window. Excellent! You've successfully written and executed your first Small Basic program. Now, the sky's the limit, and you can begin your coding journey with enthusiasm and confidence.